Here's a super cool place. There's a big old deer. And then look at that snake down there.
Oh, there's a few snakes.
Oh yeah, there's another one.
I think that buck should get away from the snakes though.
Yeah. Hey, remember these? These were in one of our other videos
Wait, what?
when they're underwater.
Oh, yeah.
It's a type of plant. I forget the name of it. Yeah, this is cool. Look at all those ducks over there. Oops, my finger's in the way. Oh, there's a turtle coming out of the water right now. Because that's cool because they get scared easily. And I think we might be able to see him climbing up on the log. There he goes. Hey, buddy. Keep going. You can do it. You can do it. He's doing it. He gave up. There he goes again.
Is he trying to get?
Yeah, he's trying. Just don't go over there because it'll scare him back into the water. So this is cool. There's another one already on the log over there chilling out. But now this guy's trying to get up there. He's a big one. No wonder you can't get out very easily.
Oh, there's a fake turtle.
Keep trying. Atta boy, look at you go. Look at you go. You did it.
Oh, I kind of see it now.
Yeah.
Oh,
Good job.
I couldn't see him before.
Yeah, what's cool about this place is they have the taxidermied animals, but they have a live aquarium too. Because look at up there, all those birds. Yeah. Oh, here's those pelicans we keep seeing out there on the river. Look at that big guy. What were you gonna show me? Oh yeah, look at you, guy. Got videos playing to show what different animals can do.
And then another video playing over there, I think. About
Yeah.
birds.
Well, we'll look at this first. I want to check all this stuff out first. Because here's a real snake coiled up.
Oh,
He's
I
just
just
chilling
saw
out.
that.
Yeah. There's his head. This is a bull snake.
oh, they're big.
They eat mice and chipmunks, rats, stuff like that.
Oh.
When I was a kid, we would catch these because I knew they weren't poisonous. They're big. They're strong too. And we'd just look at them, then let them go. But yeah, got a little water, a little bedding, and then this more likely is heat lamp. Yeah, pretty big.
Yeah.
This was a cool place. There's a woodpecker.
That's tiny.
Yeah, they are tiny.
Tiny little, a big cat.
Oh yeah, we have those here. That's a bobcat.
Oh,
We'll get closer to that in a second. Because remember, that's a tree you can climb up. But let's look at this first. Turtle. Coyote. Hey, coyote. You're hiding back there.
it's so cute.
I like the bird sounds they have piped in here. There's your mallard.
Oh,
Yeah, look at this little guy.
no, he's so cute.
He is. Hey, buddy. An ornate box turtle, they call this.
I think they're cute.
He's like, I've had enough of this. Look at this guy. I bet he's soft.
Oh,
Oh, yeah. Yeah, can you reach? He's soft, isn't he?
yeah.
That's a river otter. And we've got those here.
They're so cute.
Yeah, and then look at these. There's a little birds that live in the sides of cliffs.
Yeah, what's in here?
Hold on, baby. I want to check all of it out. We can't just jump around. All right.
Yes.
Oh, you missed this, see? Little baby deer.
Oh,
And then there's ringneck pheasant.
that baby deer is cute.
This must be the turtle's hiding spot because it connects from up here.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah. And what's over here you wanted to show me? What is in here?
I couldn't find that.
Huh. It's water. So it must be down in these holes.
Yeah.
Whatever is in here.
And there's a hole up here.
Huh.
Yeah, I think about that one.
But remember, this section we can go in. So this says it's a fox snake is in here. That's pretty cool. It's activated when we walk in.
Oh, yeah.
There he is.
Oh.
Oh, it's hard to...
Oh, I think you can see the...
Yeah, let's go back out and look at him. There he is.
Oh, he's kind he's kind of cute.
Yeah, they all are. There he is. Yeah, it's pretty cool.